By the way, guys, my dear brothers and sisters, I really want to thank you for joining this conference today. And why I am thanking? Just because we have understood the responsibility to change the mindset of so many superstitious people. Ladies and gentlemen, what actually happens in our society, sometimes we have to go through this. कितनी बच्चियाँ, कितनी बहनें इस दरिंदगी का शिकार हो जाती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ फोर्स्ड मैरिज, बिकॉज ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज, और बस वही कह के रह जाती हैं कि मम्मी की इज्जत है, पापा की इज्जत है, right? And they have to do that actually. So we the people of Well Talk, we the people of India, we have to raise our voice. We have to make people aware that how to find a right partner, how to refrain from this forced marriage, how to be okay, or how to deal with the situation if it actually comes. तो कहने का तात्पर्य क्या है? आइए कसम से दिल से बातें करते हैं और ग्राउंड रियलिटी की बातें करते हैं, जिससे हमारे समाज में हमारे कुछ लड़के जो हैं, जो भाई हैं, जो बहनें हैं, उनका जहन चेंज हो सके और कुछ अच्छा कदम उठा सकेगा इस. ऑलराइट, सो डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू से ऑन दिस टॉपिक दैट हाउ टू डील विद दिस?
It is said that God cannot be with us everywhere, so that's why we have parents. But I think that parents cannot be with us for lifelong, that's why we have partners. So I think after parents, we don't get opportunity to choose our parents, but we have opportunity to choose our partners. So if we are given opportunity by the God, why we are not using it? Who is someone to snatch it from us? And marriages are not just about celebration and ceremonies. It's a bond that we share, the bond that two people share, a bond of love, a bond of protection, a bond of support, and a bond of forgiveness and commitment. There is a very beautiful saying that marriage is about falling in love many times, but with the same person.
Yes,
That's a beautiful. In the fast, changing world, we want somebody who can be beside us, who can protect us after our parents. So we should actually think twice or thrice, I don't know how many times, before choosing a partner. Partners will actually define how your life will be, rest of your life, how it will be. So I think that before keeping my opinion about arranged marriage or love marriage, I would like to say that how will you choose a good partner for yourself? I think I know everybody has their own needs. Somebody wants your partner to be beautiful or handsome or should have good money and all. But I think what is the basic thing that you should have in your partner or spouse, that he or she should be your best friend. You should be very much comfortable in expressing anything to him. Because you see, most of the problems that we face today, it is just because we are unable to express ourselves. We are unable to tell what we are facing because we are so much scared that how we will be judged, and we are very much scared about people will mock at us. So you should have that bond with the person that you are comfortable in sharing anything, and the person should be understanding. He should understand your mood swings. He should understand your behaviors. He should understand everything. You should not give explanation for each and everything, that why are you today, why are you so angry, why are you so. He should understand each and everything about you, your way of loving as well. That's how he will get to know that how much you love him or her. Okay, so that is you. This is a very crucial decision that everybody has to take, because after like career also, choosing a career is also a very crucial decision. But you have career counselors, you have coachings, you have competitive exams, you have everything for guidance. But when it comes to marrying somebody, you don't know what will happen. You don't know how much you will pay. You don't know the work environment. You don't know what will happen in future. It is totally unpredictable. So you say that you are betting on someone. So how much you have to think about it. And coming to the topic of arranged marriage or love marriage, first of all, to understand, to choose a person, you should be mature enough. You should understand yourself, that what are your needs, what kind of person you want, what are your priorities. You want money, you want no loyalty or something. So before choosing a person, you should know yourself, and for that you need time. You should have maturity, you should have wisdom. So that is the only reason that I'm totally against child marriages and forced marriages, because there are many girls, they are not allowed to just talk to a boy even at the age of 22, 23. It is after they're getting job that they get exposure to people, they talk to people. But before that, their parents don't allow. So at very early age, when you marry them, they don't understand anybody. That if they are taking advantage of them or if they are using them, they don't get it. What is happening with them? So until and unless they become something or they have exposure with the world, they know people, they know how to handle people, you should not marry them. You should not marry them. And forced marriage also, if you forcefully compel people to marry, it will never work, because if a person not choosing something, they will not put effort on it. Only one fight and everything is gone. If you love a person, if there is a fight, you go back, you sort out things, because that's your investment. You love that. But if something is forced on you, you will never care for that. That's why forced marriages is not a good option. Nothing, it will never end well. And coming to the arranged marriage and love marriage, I think both the marriages are okay if the person is okay. Okay, if you think that the person is good, it's okay. And both have their own plus and minuses. And you get to learn many things from both the marriages. In love marriage, you know what consistency is, how to maintain that. How to maintain that spark in the marriage. Okay, you take out moments to make the person feel special and to have that feeling that you used to have when you fell in love with the person. So it teaches you to be consistent, how to maintain what you have. But in arranged marriage, there is little bit difficulty, because it's very difficult. In the starting, it's difficult to maintain, to develop that comfort level with the person. But it also teaches you that it is not important that in the first sight only the love happens. It is about how you live together, you grow together, to understand together, and then you fall in love with the person. It teaches you adaptability. It teaches you how to respect people who has another opinion, how to be patient enough to understand the person. So both the marriages will teach you something, and if you think that a person is okay, you can go for that. But according to me, what I prefer is love marriage is more, okay. Because you think, even if it doesn't end well, love marriages, you will take responsibility of that. You will learn something, that I chose this person for something and now it's not going well, so you will take the responsibility of that. But if the parents have chosen for you and it's not going well, you will always blame your parents. You will never learn that what wrong decision did you take while you were choosing somebody.
You said that both things can teach us, right?
Yes, but
So
in my opinion,
why to learn after experiencing, right? It is a big risk.
What?
Like you said, both marriages teach us
Uh-huh.
some of the things, right? So we will learn after we experience.
Yes.
Right. So after we experience,
Uh-huh.
why to be aware first and beware first?
That's why I'm saying that I prefer love marriages.
Okay.
Because you understand person before marrying, you develop that comfort zone. But I'm not totally saying that arranged marriages are bad. Even if you marry, you can then develop it. Okay, it's not that everybody likes someone or loves someone. No, everybody is not doing love marriage because they don't
Exactly.
find someone.
Of course,
But
yes,
if you find the person, he is good enough, character-wise, you can go with them and just develop that also.
Right,
Our
right.
parents, my parents, they did not do love marriage, but now they love each other so much because of that attachment, because it's long time they have been with together. That's why. So, but what I'm saying that I will go for love marriage because. Yeah, why to experience it afterwards?
So
You should,
if we go for arranged marriage, so the compatibility and vibes can be maintained as well.
yes, by understanding.
So leave your boyfriend and girlfriend, go for arranged marriage, so that we can comply with the society. I mean, we can comply with the parents and we
So
can
I've
comply
said
with
that
our
you
partners.
should do arranged marriage if you don't find somebody, if you are unable to take the decision.
Okay.
And it's not that If I don't find somebody
In
till then-
compulsion, we have to go for
No, in compulsion, have your own mind. If you no, that's not important. That you love somebody. If I like you as a person, if I see that you are sensible enough, you're hardworking, the principles that you have in your life, I like that. It's not that you will love only. If I like you, then I'll stay together and then develop that
Exactly,
love.
exactly.
Then I develop that. First, I'll develop that respect, care. Then it will turn into love.
So in both marriages, we have to know the person. In arranged
I
marriage
said,
as
no,
well, exactly.
If, arranged marriage is okay, love marriage is okay if the person is okay.
Beautiful. But the marriage should not be like what he spoke, Mr. Hamid.
What type?
जबरदस्ती कबूल करवा लो और जबरदस्ती
No,
निकाह
it
करके
should
निकल
not
जाओ.
be like
That should
that.
not be like that. That's a completely a rape.
Yes.
No, exactly. That is harassment. That is going on.
And the most important thing, first of all, before all these things, just grow yourself, yeah.
Grow yourself.
Grow yourself and become sensible enough to choose a person.
And there are people, आपकी भी बहन की शादी होगी, आपकी भी भाई की शादी होगी, तो please यार, care about it. Right, care about it. कि forced marriage should not be there. Go and talk to your didi, talk to your appi, that what do you think, what do you feel? एकदम प्यार से दोस्त बन जाओ and ask from the heart. If she doesn't
So
want,
I think that they never understand by words. You have to prove them. If you are somebody, they will never stop you. If I love someone who is IAS
like
officer,
our-
even if he is SC/ST, I think nobody.
exactly.
So
That is
all
what
the
I said
point,
to him, na.
everything boils down to one thing: that
exactly.
prove yourself. First of all, grow yourself, be capable, prove the society. Nobody will stop.
Be
you.
well educated,
Because
be
money is the
educated,
only
be
thing that nobody questions about. If you have money, nobody will question you. Money is everything. If you grow yourself, nobody will stop you.
Right.
Then everything will be like nobody will consider that.
right. Be sensible, everything is gonna be okay, right? नूर भाई, आपको तो 4 शादी करने की क्या दिक्कत है? हाँ, कल डिबेट में करा सर 4 शादी करनी है. आई हैव कैपेसिटी एंड कैपेबिलिटी. आपके कैपेबिलिटी तो ठीक है, कैपेसिटी से क्या मतलब? कर आई हैव कैपेसिटी, आई हैव स्ट्रेंथ. हाय. अच्छा, फिर जब बहुत पूछा गया कि कैपेसिटी से क्या मतलब है, कह रहे सर एक के पास जब बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो उनसे तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. देख रहे हो? नहीं, आप लोग कुछ और समझ लिए. यू हैव अंडरस्टूड समथिंग एल्स. हाँ,
For me, another is happen.
अच्छा, it is for all boys. And later on when we ask that what if a girl gets married 4 times, like if your wife gets married 4 times, is it okay? Kara no. Gunja ma'am, you can share some of the things, then we will have some kind of questions as well.
So, first of all, I want to say that marriage is an institution where you have a union with a person who is from different section. Different section and means socially and financially and all. It actually depends on a person what sort of spouse he wants or she wants. There are 2 type of person. When a person who wants everything fine from outside. So, if you are saying that if my wife cooks food in a great manner, if she take care of the house in a good manner, if she take care of his child in a good manner, if she is socially representable, so he is fine. He is fine with his life. It depends on a person himself, what he actually thinks of his marriage life.
Right.
But that second type of person is that he wants mental peace. He wants compatibility. He wants communication.
Right.
He wants his wife as his friend, where he can express his feeling like honestly. What instant he is having in his mind, he wants to share with his wife. So that is second type of person. Either a man or a woman. Now, it depends how good you are in your marriage, how your marriage is successful or unsuccessful. It actually depends on your mindset. What sort of partner you are wanting. If a girl wants a person who is financially fit, if she wants a person who is from a very good background, if he is he has lands and property and all. He has a good social life. And she is happy in that because she wants to buy anything. She wants to go to the market and buy anything, like she can do anything with the money because for her, money is priority to live a good life. But the second type of women are also there in the society who themselves are earning very good. Now what they want? They actually want a companion, not a husband, a companion who supports her in her bad time, who listens to her in her bad time, who comforts her in her bad time, who actually ready to do anything. No matter, there's a sentence that छोड़ेंगे नहीं लेकिन छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं.
अरे कसम से.
तुमको छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं और कुछ कर दिया तो छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं. तो this is, there's a very good sentence. I somehow scroll the reels and I see that कुछ गलत हुआ तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं लेकिन फिर भी कुछ हो गया तो छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं. मतलब I will not leave you, and if you did anything wrong, that I'm the very first person who will
Not leave
do
you.
anything to you. So that type of relationship, if you are having with your spouse, then no any person on this earth can beat you. Because that is the assist of a relationship, that you can do anything for that person and you are there. If he is in or she is in trouble, you are the very first one who can defend her or him. So that is the essence of marriage. Marriage is for society, not for a person.
Right.
You can be in a relationship, you can have fond of anything in a relationship, but marriage is for society. It's a legal provision where you can represent yourself as a couple. You can have life, you can have family, you can have celebration.
Why this marriage for society? I mean to say that when we are getting married, I'm gonna get married with my partner. I need to think about her. She needs to think about me, right? Like
So why marriage is important?
the marriage, I want to live with her, right? For example, if I want to do love marriage,
Yeah.
right? Now there will be some superstitious people. Maybe.
To answer them, you are...
Before few days, I was talking about this, the same statement. Aman, is there Aman? Yes. Aman fell in love with her, right? There was a girl. She was from other religion, maybe, right?
Yeah.
He's not able to marry. Why? I mean, we have rights to marry, but because of this superstitious society, because of these superstitious parents, he's not able to marry. But
So,
ask him.
So if you want to take stand against the society, you must first build yourself to be able enough to face the society. If you are not good enough, to face the society, how they actually overrule over you.
What is the exact definition of going against society? I mean to say that do not go against society, but at least we must make them aware so that they could listen. Like for example, if my daughter is there, in future, inshallah, I will have daughter. If my daughter would like to marry with any person, I will go for that. Come on, that's fine. But why these superstitious people, they become hard tari maar dalenge, ye kar denge, wo kar denge. Why? क्योंकि नहीं हमें 5 लाख लोग देख रहे हैं, हमें अपलिफ्ट करना है, ऐसे समाज को हमें चेंज करना है, ऐसे अंधविश्वास को चेंज करना है. बताइए, घुट घुट कर एक लड़की मर जा रही है. मेरी एक बताइए क्लासमेट लड़की बेचारी 23 साल की बीएससी कर रही थी, जौनपुर में बीएससी कर रही थी, 23 साल की. उसकी शादी 35 साल के आदमी से कर दी गई. अब वो सुसाइड कर ली. सुसाइड करने से पहले वो मुझे 3 दिन पहले फ़ोन की थी कि कैफ शादी हो गई मेरी, पैसा बहुत है, मुंबई में रह रहे हैं, फ्लैट है, ये हुआ है. बड़ी खुश लग रही थी. मैं कहा बहुत अच्छी बात है, कर बस थोड़ा हस्बैंड ये एजेड है. मैं कहा कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कंपैटिबिलिटी बन जाएगी. और उसके बाद फिर फ़ोन आता है एक लड़के एक और की, शी हैज़ कमिटेड सुसाइड. क्यों? बेचारी वो कह नहीं पाई अपने पेरेंट्स से कि आई डोंट वांट टू मैरी विद दिस गाय.
So, sir, that type of space must be given by the parents and her family actually.
बस यही बातें हमें जो है उठाना है. कुछ मम्मी पापा कुछ बातें हिंदी में रखनी पड़ेगी हमें कि देयर आर सो मेनी पेरेंट्स, दे मस्ट बी वाचिंग एज वेल कि भाई उनके जज्बात को समझो थोड़ा सा, राइट? आपको नहीं रहना है, आप तो 10 साल रहोगे मर जाओगे फिर, राइट? उसके बाद दैट गर्ल हैज़ टू लीव, राइट? तो यस, इफ आई एम रॉन्ग प्लीज बी अगेंस्ट.
So good morning, sir, and good morning, all of you. Sir, I just want to say that both kind of marriages, love marriage or arranged marriage, both are okay.
Of course.
But what is the success ratio of the marriage? Love, there is only, I think 85 or 15, or we can say 80 or 20, the ratio of success, ratio of love marriage. But what is happening in our society? All the parents, all the society judge us by the society, not by the people around us. What kind of people here and there? They don't think about that. That kind of thinking.
Right.
They have what kind of things are going on in our society. So everyone knows Shraddha Walker, 27-year call center girl. She loved a guy, and I think she chose to live with him. And apart from his own city, and what has happened? She is killed. She is cut into pieces.
Exactly.
So that's why these all kind of thinking, this nonsense is all kind of nonsense going in our society. That's why parents are very afraid, very afraid
Of course,
to
right.
send their children, to send their daughter, their son.
Exactly. Now, one point I really accept that you said about being afraid. Like many girls have been chopped, right?
Yes.
Just because of a few months or few days relationship, they get married, and after that, that boy chops into the pieces.
I have a point in this. The girl whom he is talking about.
The girl, huh?
Actually, that was my perception and my thinking over that girl. She is having violence. She is actually facing violence for a long time. And it's her choice to be in that violence. You must be sensible enough. Why the God has given you brain over heart? Because you have to think, who are you with? If I am getting something from this institute, that is why I'm here. I'm regularly attending the class because I'm getting something new every day. I'm achieving something from this institute. In the same way, if you want to be in a relationship, you must have that sensibility. Okay, what I'm getting from this relationship, and you are good enough to be out on the in that relationship.
Be out.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You should get out from this from that relationship.
of
That
course.
person is actually harassing her. He actually beats her regularly, and she is still in love with that guy so much. Look, what I think, if you are a mature person, talking is the option, the last option. After that, if you started beating, if you are started tolerating things, that is not good for any sort of relationship, whether you are talking about love marriage or you are talking about arranged marriage. And my perception is, not a single person can make you understand about that person who is actually beating you. If my husband is beating me and my mother-in-law says that, okay, be calm and be quiet, and that it happens in marriage, what sort of nonsense is that?
Exactly.
The nonsense is always be a nonsense, sir. She was chopped because she willingly want to be there.
Exactly.
So that happens. That is, if we are with what you say, the current situation, we are having a war with Pakistan. We know what sort of mentality the Pakistan is having. After 20 years, we again want to have a friendship with Pakistan. Then what happened to us? A culprit is a culprit. A snake is a snake. How many times he just removed his... Yeah. My point is only this, sir, ki, what we talk about Shraddha case or the women who are killed in love marriage, it's up to them only, because they actually show you the sign. It's up to you how good you are in getting that sign.
Exactly.
And anyone.
And don't stubborn somebody to be loved. Love to be loved.
Love to be loved.
Exactly.
And sir, what I want to say in marriage, why arranged marriage, if there is no communication, not with the family, but with your spouse. The communication must be with your spouse. The compatibility must be there with your spouse. If there is no compatibility, no communication, no honesty, no loyalty, then this arranged marriage slightly converted into forced marriage.
It is happening.
Forced marriage never be with if you are mentally or physically assaulted. If they are denying your thoughts, that also make you to be in a forced marriage. Every time if they deny with your thoughts, with your actions, with your hard work, they are not appreciated that. Again, the simple lovely marriage converted into forced marriage. That is why many women here in India, they are in arranged marriage and they are somehow in a forced marriage.
Exactly.
Because they are not getting appreciation from their family.
They are treated like servants.
Yeah, they are treated like servant and they are educated servant. They are educated servant. They are literally literate people who are actually meant to be illiterate by couple of members of your family who actually don't appreciate their doings. They are leaving, even a woman or a man also.
Exactly.
They are leaving everything, their comfort zone, their friends for the family. And then if you are not appreciating that, that convert this arranged marriage into forced marriage.
It's better hiring a waiter.
Yeah,
at home.
and what I think, sir, divorce is not the final verdict to end the marriage. You must be self-centered, any person. I mean, not a husband or a wife, but a boyfriend or girlfriend. They must have their private space. Everyone should have their private space and no one dare to enter in that private space. If you make yourself happy, you can make other happy.
Beautiful. All right, please clap for Gunjan.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. Nee, one disclaimer, guys. We do not have to be completely against love marriage, right? But let us talk the reality. I really appreciate Gunjan ma'am, whatever she said, actually, right? You have some point, please.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. Sorry, good morning, everybody. So, I want to ask one question, ma'am. Like, as you said, we can change.
नज़ाकत से नहीं, इसको यहाँ
ठीक sir, okay.
Professionally बात करें.
Like, we can change. If we don't feel comfort with anybody, we can change. How many, partner या institute you can change? We can change in our life because life is not an institute. If you get married with someone, so you can never come out from that marriage easily. How many member we can change?
Why you want to love other? Why you don't want to love yourself?
But okay. But it is not
Why, if you have a divorce with your wife, you again want to get married and get into trouble?
like it's
Don't marry, na then.
Yeah, exactly. Love yourself. Travel.
But even if you love a girl, if the people are not letting you marry, don't marry. But love her still.
Love a girl.
Still love her. Exactly. Don't marry.
sir, we can know before marry.
We can know before marry.
Yeah.
To know her forever,
Look,
let her marry somewhere. You don't marry, like Ratan Tata ji.
it is not
Exactly.
necessary.
That's a true love. No, that's a true love.
So it is not necessary that you have certain criterias about your partner and you get that. It's not necessary in this world that what characteristics you want from your better half, you got it. Everyone is not so
Obstinated.
fortunate enough to get everything what he wants in his life. So love yourself. That is under your control. Travel a lot, see new people, change your mindset.
The commitment of marriage, is just standing by each other. If she or he is even answering back, it is also crime. Love यार, come on. Marriage, शादी क्यों हो रही है भाई? खुशियाँ हैं, यहाँ तो और टेंशन आ जा रहा है. हाँ, exactly. Neha wants to say something.
Good evening, good morning, everyone.
पूरा बोल डाली. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning.
Today, we all have gathered here as in conference talk, and we have very sensitive topic of marriage. Actually, everybody know that marriage is one of the most important social institution where a person can shares his or her views, and where they can live a very happy life. But what happened? Several kind of immaturity occurs in that person. So ego comes in, like in arranged marriage. What happened? Woman has to face several kind of domestic violence, abusive and spoliations from the people and from the in-laws of that family. And in love marriage, many of the people have said that it is totally depends upon the girl. If the boy is not taking care of that girl, then on the spot she should left her. Because yes, this is true. Because if the person is not able to love you, not able to take care of you, on the spot you should love. Otherwise every girl will be suffer like Shraddha.
Of course.
And the same way I would say, and this, even my parents must be watching this video. And yes, I have this open challenge to say this, that
कि हे पापा,
if your child wants to get married of love marriage, then you should not stop her.
So Neha, we can understand.
Because if the girl is stable, she has the potential to get married, she has the potential to live with that guys, then I think you are not anything to stop that one.
Dear
Yeah.
Papa. Hari kasam se.
Because this marriage is of my. I will be living with that boy. How can you make me marry with that person who I don't know even? And you are saying me to live till my old age. How will it possible that I don't know even a second for that person? So if I know that person, if I want to get married of love marriage, so please don't stop me. And
Let me elope.
if I'm stable and my partner is stable, so
Who
That's-
is your partner actually?
sir, I'm just saying, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are predicting in future maybe, right?
Yes, sir. Because, sir, if thoughts are matching, if vibes are matching, then there is no kundli and
Of
all to be
course.
there.
Right. Now, if you
That's it.
find, please tell our Jijaji that, Of course, right. Yes.
And the same way, I would like to say about the child marriage act that was happening earlier, that what happened when the girl are born, they were just killed. And after this, when this act was stopped, they again started this kind of act, they early marriage, as a child marriage. They stopped, they think that even they underage, they got married to the children, or even with 18 below 18 year girl is married to 40 50 years boys. This act was there. This not only this not only lack the education of the children, but also take their childhood, their lackness of childhood. They make them just inherit their lives. They are just playing with the life.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
All right, very nice, Neha. Great. Yes, Suj-
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir. Sir, according to me, I think love marriage is better than arranged marriage. Sir, because so many people are says that love marriage is not good. Our parents are against, society are against. They will agree. They will agree. Your parents also agree. They will also agree. You firstly tell to your parents, tell to you the society, prove your parents that I am capable to take a stand for myself.
Right.
I am capable to convey my life with that person. Love is okay. Love is okay with that person. If you tell to your father, if you tell to your mother that if you not allow me to get married with that, I am die. मतलब मैं मर जाऊंगी. Like I'm take any type of that bad type of stuff. If you tell your parents that that person is a well capable, I am a well capable, I am a earning good, and he also earning good, and he take care of myself in a good way. He take a stand for herself, for our future. You make them, you prove them that my future is good with that person.
Right.
You make them agree that if you are with a good person, if you are with good person, firstly you have to make them sure that he is a good person for myself.
You have to make them believe.
You have to make them believe.
Beautiful.
If the person, सर हर पेरेंट्स एग्री नहीं होते हैं फॉर रिलेशनशिप फॉर लव मैरिज के लिए. फर्स्टली आपको उनको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ हम जिस इंसान के साथ हम हैं या जिस पर्सन के साथ हम जा रहे हैं वो पर्सन हमारी लाइफ के लिए ठीक है. वो पेरेंट्स आपको कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि वो आपके लिए अरेंज मैरिज किसी को फोर्सफुली करते हैं. हमको तो नहीं लगता सर, हमारे घर में भी ऐसा हमने कभी देखा भी नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स करते हो.
Exactly.
वो पहले आपको फोर्स करेंगे कि हाँ बेटा कर लो, सोसाइटी है, आपको देखना पड़ेगा, आपके फादर की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं लोग, वो उनको क्या सोचेंगे. लेकिन वो आपके बारे में पूछते हैं कि आप एग्री हो ना, वो आपको टाइम देते हैं, वो आपको टाइम भी देते हैं कि हाँ हमारे बारे में सोच लो. पर आप उनको प्रूफ करो ना कि नहीं हम जिसके साथ जाना चाहते हैं वो ठीक पर्सन है, तो वो जरूर आपको सपोर्ट
सुनेंगे भाई. पेरेंट्स
बिल्कुल सुनेंगे, सुनते भी हैं.
एक मिनट बस, इनको कंप्लेंट आ रहे हैं आपके पास.
यस सर, दैट दिस इज माय पॉइंट.
ठीक.
And there are so many family are like that Kattarwadi. Kattarwadi.
They are bigot. Huh?
Never.
Never.
They will
So
say
elope?
they will never support, sir.
So elope, no? You have option.
Elope, but
You said before something.
yeah, but this is totally against.
नहीं मैं तो अभी यही करूंगा जो मेरी फैमिली कह रही, अपने बारे में भी तो सोचना.
Okay, ma'am, I am thinking, ma'am. Okay, I am thinking, but you brought up in your family since childhood and up to 19
that's a
years,
good thing,
and
that's
you
a
have
good
to
thing.
elope at once for a single boys.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो if आप before loving you ask your parents.
No, ma'am.
Before love someone, you ask your
Before you
parents,
came,
then
before
why
you
ask
whatever
for-
do in your
then
life,
why
you
ask
have to
for
ask it
marriage?
with
Then
your
why
friends,
you ask your parents
with
for
your
marriage?
parents. You have to ask each and every question.
आप किसी को पसंद करने से पहले अपने पेरेंट्स से जाके पूछते हैं क्या कि हाँ ये मैं जो प्रपोज कर रही है मैं इनका एक्सेप्ट करने जा रहा हूँ.
No, ma'am. You have to ask. No, ma'am. Because this is my personal things. Then if I am comfortable, then I will.
हाँ सर, वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ. अगर आपने उनका एक प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट किया, ठीक है, आपको शादी करनी है, आप करो ना. उनको कम.
So you are not thinking about.
कन्विंस करो.
This is. I am saying that you are just like a narrow-minded.
Narrow.
Okay. Listen to me, please, ma'am. Please. Okay, sir. But there is also parallel, sir, in your family, sir.
सिर्फ डिबेट के लिए अच्छे हैं. I understand. बोलने से पहले प्लीज थिंक अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स एज वेल. If they unfortunately watch you, na, they will make you outside of the house. Yes, sir.
Because parents couldn't understand English language. So firstly I want to say my community. आप सर देखते हैं, पेरेंट्स को बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं, जो लड़की घर पर आती है, कहीं बाहर जाती नहीं है, नकाब लगाकर हर जगह बाहर जाती है और उसकी बिना मर्जी के लड़का पसंद भी नहीं होता है. 35 साल 30 साल 40 साल का लड़का काला, उसके बिना मर्जी उसकी शादी कर दिया जाता है. आप उनसे कभी पूछे? मैं अपने कम्युनिटी के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. और फिर आप 18 साल तक सेफ रखते हैं, 21 साल तक सेफ रखते हैं अपनी लड़की को, किसी तरह बाहर नहीं जाने देते, किसी को टच होने नहीं देते हैं और बिना मर्जी के आप रेप करने के लिए भेज देते हैं. ये सही है? ये क्या सही है सर? एंड हम भी लव किए हैं और हम जानते हैं जो लव इंसान करता है वो किस तरह से लव करता है. एंड ये बात है, आप अपनी मर्जी से शादी करिएगा और किसी को भेजिएगा. एक शायर कहा ये बात कि आप अपनी मर्जी से किसी लड़के को शादी कर देते किसी अनदर इंसान के साथ, तो उसके सामने कुत्ता बन के वो रहती है. और अगर वो लव के साथ जाती है, जिससे वो लव करती है और जिससे वो चाहती है, वो रानी बनकर वहाँ पर रहती है. दैट्स इट सर. ये मैं सभी पेरेंट्स को कहना चाहता हूँ और अपने कम्युनिटी लोग को कहना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये सही नहीं. आप 18 साल 21 साल अपनी लड़की को अपने पास किसी हिफाजत से रखते हैं और वो बेचारी कुछ कह नहीं पाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि पेरेंट्स आ जाती है बीच में, इज्जत, सोसाइटी एंड पेरेंट्स, फैमिली ये आ जाती है. आप अपनी बेटे को अपने मर्जी से शादी करने दीजिए, भले अरेंज मैरिज मगर उसकी पसंद की करने दीजिए. आप नहीं कि लव मैरिज कीजिए, लव मैरिज के इट्स नॉट गुड. आप ठीक है, आप लव मैरिज के खिलाफ है, कोई बात नहीं. अरेंज मैरिज भी अपना पसंद के करने तो दीजिए कम से कम. क्यों नहीं करने देते? उसकी राइट है. हर इंसान की एक राइट होती है कि अपनी मर्जी से शादी करे, अपने पसंद से शादी करे. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सर.
कभी कभी तो जबरदस्ती निकाह कबूल करवा लिया जाता है। रो रही है, पता चला लहंगा पहनी हुई है, सिग्नेचर जबरदस्ती करा लेते हैं। हाँ मौलाना साहब पढ़े तो हाँ निकाह कबूल है, पता ना हाँ कहीं या ना कहीं सिग्नेचर करके। बताइए, शर्म आनी चाहिए। ये जो वर्ड आपने इस्तेमाल किया ना सेंटेंस का, रेप करने के लिए भेजे, सच में हम लोग को रेप करने के लिए भेज दे रहे हैं। सच में पता नहीं वो कबूल करी कि नहीं करी है। हट तेरी, बंद करके भेज दो। नहीं, सभी बहनों से, सभी लड़कियों से यही गुजारिश है, अदबन विनम्र निवेदन है, पढ़ो पहले। पढ़ोगे तो सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा, खत्म कहानी। अपने राइट्स के लिए सब कुछ दिमाग खुल जाएगा।
Most of the family are not supporting to continue.
स्टडी छोड़ दो फैमिली को। मैं बहुत प्रमोट करता हूँ इसको, छोड़ दो। लेकिन यही है कि आपसे गुजारिश है, प्लीज कुछ करके लौटना। छोड़ दो यार, है तेरी भाड़ में जाए। अरे जब मुझे कोई नहीं अच्छा करना चाह रहा है तो मैं क्यों चाहूँ भाई, है ना? तो लीव योर फैमिली, गो समवेयर, स्टडी हार्ड एंड बी एन एग्जाम्पल, देन कम बैक। एवरीबody will be there to welcome you.
And also